And welcome into Bon Appetit. One of the best parts of Bon Appetit is eating something sweet. And we have something sweet for you today because Gigi's Cupcakes, they're in town. And we have with us Laura Barranco Feely. And you are the cupcake lady, are you not?
I have been dubbed the cupcake lady, yes.
We need to let our viewers know cupcake comes from the fact that years ago they actually made a cake in a cup.
I did.
And then later on they made it into big trays so you could do a bunch because people wanted more than one.
All different sizes of cupcakes now, for sure.
That's right. And of course, Gigi's is in now Prattville,
yes,
and well as Peppertree.
Yes, Peppertree inside Peppertree Chappy's Deli, inside the Prattville Chappy's Deli as well, and soon to be coming to the Perry Hill Chappy's Deli, hopefully before the end of the year.
Good.
Take care of all your cupcake needs throughout Montgomery River Region area.
That's right. It's got to go to Auburn too sometime.
Yes.
You don't know when, but sometime.
Yes.
And as you can see in front of us here, there are quite a variety of cupcakes that have this wonderful thing called frosting on them.
They do.
It's not icing, it's frosting. Because there's a difference, right?
There is a difference with frosting and icing, and so frosting is a much more flavorful, a little more milk-based, much better type of topping on a cupcake for sure.
Absolutely.
And we make all of ours in-house. They're made in our own bakery here in Montgomery, and we bring them to the Chappy's Deli at Peppertree, bring it to the Chappy's Deli at Prattville. And we've got some great flavors. We got some seasonal flavors right now. We have caramel apple.
Ooh.
We have s'mores.
It seems like you've been at the fair.
Yes,
yes.
It tastes like that too. It tastes like a great caramel apple. We have pumpkin cream and gooey salted pecan. So it tastes like a pecan pie. It's phenomenal. The gooey salted pecan also comes in gluten-free. We also have a couple other gluten-free flavors as well. And then we have our classics that are here all the time.
Wow.
We've got wedding cake here in the middle. We've got midnight magic, strawberry shortcake, red velvet. We have chocolate chip cookie dough. We have cookies and cream, lemon drop, birthday cake. We've got so many different varieties. We even sell macarons. We have mini cheesecakes, or cupcake cheesecakes as we like to call them. They're cupcake shaped as well, so we can hit all those sweet taste buds.
And people are starting more and more, rather than have a big cake because you have a couple of slices, then the rest of it kind of sits there until it gets dry and tossed away. You can do it with cupcakes.
Yes, cupcakes are a great option. We even have mini cupcakes in most all of these flavors as well. Those are a good quick 2-bite, as I like to call them. You can eat those guys in 2 bites. They're real good. We celebrate all the seasons. We have a breast cancer cupcake that we'll do, and $1 of each of those will go to breast cancer research.
That's nice.
That's in the month of October. We do flash flavors. Those change every couple of weeks throughout the season. Some of those, we have our oatmeal cream pie, monster cookie. We've got peanut butter pretzel. So we try to hit all the taste buds. Everybody can find something that they like.
And then you're going to take care of things for Halloween, a boo box.
A boo box, yes, for Halloween.
And for Thanksgiving.
We have a gobble box.
A gobble box, and then a jingle bell
And then a jingle box for Christmas.
Amen.
You can bring, these are perfect in an office setting because, again, they're the mini cupcake, which sometimes these guys can feel a little big. Those minis are great, and they're great to pick up, bring to the office, send as a Christmas gift to your favorite staff, to again, other offices and things like that.
And you can buy them either individually, come in and buy one just to have with a cup of coffee on your own, or you can buy them by a 6-pack or a 12-pack.
Yeah, we'll sell them 1, 4. We can sell however many you want. We've got boxes that come in 1, 4, 6, 12, but we can put however many you want. Even if you're dining in at Chappy's Deli, you can have it right to your table as your dessert. As you're dining in, we'll bring it right to your table as well. And you can get it to go when you're ordering to go at Chappy's too. Yeah.
So at each location, there's a nice selection of all the flavors right there.
Yes.
But at the same time, you can call ahead and order something special, right?
You can. You
That'd
sure
be a
can.
good way to do
and
it.
we even do cakes as well.
Full-size cake?
6-inch. They're a 6-inch round cake, and it's a bigger version of our classic cupcake. So we even can do some custom orders depending on our baker's skills. We got some pretty talented bakers who can decorate pretty well, and we've done some custom things. But we do have 6-inch cakes available each day as well. If you have a last minute something that comes up, forgot your boss's birthday, want to bring him a cake, we got those too.
Great way to do it. Well, right now it's at Peppertree and up in Prattville. hopefully by the end of the year at Perry Hill Road.
Yes.
And come in and try something that's just really great. It's a good treat, and of course, you're supporting the community when you do it. And we'll be right back right after this.